Creating a great online dating profile is all about showcasing your best self and presenting yourself in a way that will attract potential matches. In this video, we'll provide some tips and tricks for crafting a compelling dating profile that will help you find the right match for you. Your profile picture is the first thing people will see when they come across your profile, so it's important to choose the right one. A good profile picture should be clear, well lit, and show your face clearly. Choose a photo that shows off your best features, but also looks like you in real life. Your bio is where you can give potential matches a glimpse into your personality and what you're looking for in a relationship. Keep it concise and to the point, but also engaging and interesting. Be honest about your interests and hobbies, and let your sense of humor shine through. When filling out the various sections of your dating profile, it's important to highlight your best qualities. This could be anything from your adventurous spirit to your love of cooking. Whatever it is, make sure it shines through in your profile. In addition to highlighting your own qualities, it's also important to be specific about what you're looking for in a potential match. This will help attract people who are a good fit and avoid those who aren't. Whether it's a love of travel or a shared appreciation for a particular band included in your profile. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a great online dating profile that is sure to attract the right type of matches. Remember to be honest, be yourself, and have fun with it.